Hello, my name is Laura Modali and welcome to Science for Education, supporting teaching and learning in science education. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the MECHS Move Multi-Creature Mobility Launch Kit by Circuit Cubes. This MECHS Move kit consists of 54 parts and is designed to build multiple creations such as Prowler, Part Bug Part Robot, and Bulldog Bot. The parts include a motor cube and battery cube, which can be charged. You can find this kit on Amazon, and at the time of this recording, the price is $24.99. Or you can find it on their website, circuitcubes.com, for $29.99. I personally like this kit because it comes with a clear and easy to follow instruction book. It can be done individually or in small groups of students in 10 to 15 minutes, so it will not take up a lot of your lesson time. The quality of the materials is good, but you still need to be careful since they are made of plastic. One of my students dropped the motor cube on the floor and broke one of the legs. You can buy replacement parts on their website, or it was easy to fix with plastic bonder. The kit also contains small parts. Therefore, I don't think that it is suitable for students below 3rd grade. I have used this kit in my STEM laboratory class for elementary students, 3rd through 5th grade. At that time, we were learning about energy and how it can transform from one form to another. By using this kit, students were able to create something which is an application of electricity transforming into motion that contains kinetic energy. My students were also able to practice their engineering design process skills. Their experience with this MECHS Move kit aided the lesson I taught to stay longer in their memory, and their learning was so much fun as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can help you to make decision whether this MECHS Move Multi-Creature Mobility Launch Kit by Circuit Cubes is for your classroom or not.